So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And GLM has released GLM 4.7 Flash. Yes, you heard it right, and instantly it's a major hit in the 20B to 30B arena. So, basically, in the mid range LLMs, this looks to be the best LLM right now. And looking at the benchmark, it is just killer. Cleaning out, clean swiping everything, be it GPT OSS, Quen 330B. GLM 4.7 Flash is here and is going to stay, as you can see on all the major benchmarks, be it Tau Bench, BrowseComp, AIME25, GPQ, and HLE. The model is looking crazingly good. As you can see on my screen, this is the Hugging Face page for the model. It's completely open sourced by Zifu AI again, and the model is available on z.ai as well. The model is open source, they have given all the codes. Now, let's talk about a bit of detail. What is GLM 4.7 Flash? Lightweight, high efficiency AI model by Z.ai. 30 billion parameters, MIT license, and 59.2% SW benchmark. This is the best mid sized LLM right now. Overview. As you can see, best for coding and agent style tasks. Availability, it's on Hugging Face and API access. Cost, it's free tier plus affordable paid options are also there. Technical details I've already sent you. Tau Bench, it looks to be crazingly good. Comparing the performance, it is any day better than Quen 30B and GPT OSS 20B. So if you're using that, remove them immediately. Capabilities and features, talking about the general abilities, it's very similar to GLM 4.7. Multilingual support, coding and reasoning, agent support and tools. Efficiency and deployment. Efficient inference, free API tier, and downloadable weights are there. Why use GLM 4.7 Flash? Talking on the pros: balanced performance, efficient and cost effective, open source, MIT, and easy access is there. What are the consideration? Not fully flagship power. Less powerful than GLM 4.7, but it is 10 cross the size. So, see, try to understand the size of the model is quite less, given that it's very good. Resource conscious apps and text only model is present. How to access GLM 4.7 Flash? Via the APIs, download the weight, and local deployment is also possible. Summarizing it all, GLM 4.7 Flash is here to stay. A pretty good model in the mid-size arena. Developed by Z4AI, MIT open source, and 30 billion parameters are there. So, what are you waiting for? Start using it on Hugging Face. Thank you so much.